As the world is getting crazy over cryptocurrency, knowing insider facts is essential. Elon Musk is engaged with various cryptos like Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and much more. What are his links, and how do these cryptos operate? Let's check the truth in today's video. Elon Musk, the Tesla founder, is one of the most famous voices in the crypto market. He often uses his words to post on Twitter regarding digital assets and causes wild swings in the entire price range of cryptos, leading some people to question his real motives. Recently, he claimed that he is both a crypto supporter and investor. He also explained how institutions embrace Bitcoin alongside Cathie Wood and Jack Dorsey. He stated that his primary investment outside his Tesla organization and SpaceX firm is in Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Ethereum. Bitcoin. Back in 2017, rumors were spread that Elon Musk was the original person behind the creator of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto. That time, Elon Musk denied all the statements, and he has been a massive fan of Bitcoin for some time. The Billionaires stated that paper money would go away, and cryptocurrency is a better way to transfer the value than pieces of paper, that is for sure. He applauded Bitcoin and stated that the technology behind the crypto is brilliant. Also, Tesla announced that it brought 1.5 billion USD of Bitcoin, and it even started accepting the crypto coin as their payment mode for all electric vehicles. But that thing was only for months because of some concerns about the energy consumption required to mine this crypto. Tesla will somehow accept Bitcoin as their payment mode. But after declaring this, he had a mini portion in Bitcoin for a longer duration. In 2020, he stated that he owned 0.25 Bitcoins given to him by a friend. And he also confirmed that Bitcoin is the biggest cryptocurrency to hold for a longer duration. Dogecoin. Partially, Musk is the face of Dogecoin, and his ties with cryptocurrency date back 3 years ago. In 2018, Musk also reached out to Jackson Palmer, the Dogecoin creator, to remove spam bots from the Twitter handle. Musk also revealed that Dogecoin would be his favorite crypto coin, and it is so amazing. He even won the vote on April Fool's Day and asked which CEO would hypothetically be the best for the digital coin. Musk later changed his Twitter profile as former CEO of Dogecoin. By 2020, Elon Musk started tweeting every day about Dogecoin, and every tweet caused the price of the cryptocurrency to go higher. In May, the massive publicity came when Tesla Loader hosted the Saturday Night Live event. Musk also proclaimed himself the Dogfather on the event, and Dogecoin plunged in one of the SNL segments, saying that cryptocurrency was a hustle. Ethereum. Besides Dogecoin and Bitcoin, Ethereum is classified as another influential crypto. Musk made a public connection with Ethereum, which was not positive. The scam even requested help from the creator of Dogecoin for Twitter users, who posed as renowned personalities, giving away massive amounts of Ether tokens. He tweeted a single work of Ethereum, and then the coin stoked interest in crypto. It also promoted the online exchange between Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder of Ethereum, and Musk. Elon Musk seemed to be on the fence about Ethereum, and he responded to a tweet from William Shatner, who said that he would not build anything on Ethereum. Musk even seems to drop off the fence, and earlier, he disclosed that he owns Ethereum tokens alongside Dogecoin and Bitcoin. He further added that both SpaceX and Tesla are the proud owners of Bitcoin. Despite the recent turmoil he created in the cryptocurrency market, he said that he deliberately supports cryptocurrency ideation. The price of various cryptocurrencies, including those owned by Musk, went on a wild ride recently, responding to his actions and statements at Tesla. Moreover, Dogecoin plummeted in May 2021 after Elon Musk called the currency a hustle. The same month, he also stated that Tesla would never accept Bitcoin as a payment mode because of the massive energy used to mine and create it. It caused the price to fall. But at last, Elon Musk stated that his financial success is tied with the performance and price of digital currencies, and in his terms, he phrased the entire thing in a way so that regulators can be attracted. He stated that if the Bitcoin price drops, he will pump it, but doesn't believe in getting a high selling price or anything like that. He desires to see Bitcoin succeed. Well, a pump or dump is a kind of security fraud where someone tries to boost the price of their asset through misleading, exaggerated, and false statements. They later sell them to cash in over the dumped prices. The scheme is prosecuted and monitored by the Securities and Exchange Commission. Elon Musk is not a stranger to the agency, and in 2018, he even got charged with securities fraud over Twitter, where he posted data about the outlook of Tesla. He further agreed with the settlement that required Tesla lawyers to review the posts about the organization, which has been violated twice in nearly 2 years. Moreover, Dorsey and Musk also addressed some environmental concerns about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, requiring massive energy to empower the computers required to mine them. There are numerous Bitcoins, and computers must accomplish the complex equations to mine them and enter the circulation, as higher Bitcoins will be mined. Hence, it would be more challenging and energy-intensive as per the procedure. Also, in May 2021, Tesla paused the Bitcoin transactions after Elon Musk stated that he realized the network of cryptocurrency could rely on coal-powered energy. He also stated that the mission of Tesla is accelerating the advent of sustainable energy, and they cannot be the organization that does so and also never do appropriate diligence on the use of Bitcoin energy. Now, even the outlook like Bitcoin is shifting various renewables. Elon Musk stated that the organization is keeping cryptocurrency Bitcoin on its books and will start accepting Bitcoin as payment mode again when half of the energy is used for mining Bitcoin, coming from clean sources like wind energy and solar energy, that Musk also stated earlier on Twitter. However, Elon Musk is known for backtracking and promising. The Square organization of Dorsey has bought billions in Bitcoin while building an app for crypto creators, highlighting the potential to harness numerous forms of unused energy to empower cryptocoin mining operations. He even emphasized the organization, Great American Mining, that captures the methane flares on oil fields to empower the Bitcoin mining systems. Moreover, Dorsey stated that suppose all the unused energy that got wasted every day, they can get energy and convert it to a secure and sound money system for the planet. That's not it. As CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk also requested people to be aware while investing in cryptocurrencies. He spurred the investors to pile over the joke cryptocurrency Dogecoin and left the fourth most valuable cryptocurrency as the value soared to a new record. He said that cryptocurrency is promising and people should invest in them with caution. The comments and tweets by Musk caused seismic shifts in the crypto world and are the longtime proponent of digital currencies that has invested $1.5 billion USD through Tesla. Cryptocurrencies are volatile asset classes, and Dogecoin, being the favorite cryptocurrency of the world, is volatile because of its popularity among other home traders. Reddit forums also informed that their trading in dual identity is a meme. Some of the massive spikes for Dogecoin also arose after the token was mentioned on Twitter by Elon Musk and is often accompanied by memes. The value of those tokens soared high to 69 cents, and traders are still trading them to take Doge to the moon. It goes without saying that Elon Musk continues to directly influence the crypto market. What do you interpret from his statements and investments? Let us know in the comments section below, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.